then we're going to use the SEALUSH Serum as well. This serum will give thermal protection on the hair. It is heat activated serum, and this is going to treat broken keratin bonds and really ensure that the split ends are sealed, and it defrizzes and tames all of Sophie's hair. How does it feel?
Yeah, incredible, it looks amazing.
It's got the most incredible shine to it, the softness. It's really smoothed out all those kind of flyaway hairs, giving it that real nice glossy feeling, but also the condition just feels incredible.